Hey fellow worker, what are you doing tonight?
Nothing. Want to go out on a date?
Yes, I would love to.
Great.
Where will we go?
Let's stay here and talk.
Okay, what will we talk about?
Let's talk about the show Ren and Stimpy.
I love that show. Did you see the Adult Party DVD?
Yes, I did. It was so funny. But I like the non-adult ones.
Yeah, I like those too.
Goodbye everyone who watched.
Yeah, bye.